how do we know? Ready? Don't get me in it. Oh. How do we know that that's from Uncle Matthew? What's it got in it?
Something.
What?
A kangaroo.
Kangaroos.
And I want to open it.
Why have you got that round you? Can I just?
I know. Let's sit down. It's got blocks. It's got
in
lots
it?
of kangaroos.
Yeah.
Lots of kangaroos. Yeah.
Come on. Yes.
I didn't.
Oh, wow. What's that?
That is.
Oh, let's put on your window. It's got kangaroos on, look. Be careful, there's kangaroos jumping around.
They got kangaroos in here.
What's that?
Who's on the card?
Spider-Man.
Wow,
I don't know if he's Spider-Man.
Oh, it's a special card. Come here.
What's mine?
Oh, you open it like that, love. What's it say inside? Look, from Uncle Matthew and VJ, yeah. What have you got on yours?
The T-Rex.
A T-Rex. Wow. Oh, that's kind, isn't it? What do we say?
Thank you.
That's lovely, isn't it?
Oh, look, got some cards in there.
Yeah, shall I pass you them? Let's
Yeah.
put these somewhere safe then.
Okay.